Hey there everyone, this is Anthony with Touchboards, and we're proud to carry FSR. Now, FSR is a brand, and they make these really cool on-table, under-table, and in-table boxes. This here is an on-table box, and by that it just means it clamps onto your table like so. Clamp it onto your desk, conference table, whatever you want. They have some that go underneath so they're out of the way, and then ones that mount in grommet holes in that work surface as well. All this is electrical outlets, some USB ports to charge, slide it on like that, and there you go. Easy way to add power and convenience to your workspace. These also have a little panel on the side here, and you can get little snap-in panels for these to add additional ports like Ethernet adapters and things like that. So not only just power, but you can get your network in there as well. Now, this here is what they call a stock version. So there's a few available, white and black, but you can also get them custom made too. So you can have more outlets in there and things like that. So ask us about that if you're interested. Otherwise, check these out. Really cool way to take a plain old boring desk and add some power to it.